Okay, here we are for round 2 of the blizzard of 2008. I've done some more shoveling. You can hopefully see the depth there by scale of the snow pile and how it cleared by the sidewalk. I've got my snowshoes on, so we're going to go a little walkabout here. Maybe try to get into the backyard, see how the neighbors are doing. One neighbor's still using this electric thing. Oh yeah, here we go. Now we're going. Now we're teapoting. Not sinking quite as much. Let's go see how Brian's doing. I just to the end of the concrete. I'm gonna worry about the rest of it later. Even with snowshoes, I'm sinking several inches.
Yeah.
Wow. Now for scale, you can see how deep it is at Shea Hogbin in his buried mailbox. Oh yeah, that's what it is. You at least have a big pile of sand taking up most of your driveway that you don't have to shovel. I mean, for Pete's sake.
I'm worried about that.
Yeah, I would be too. Mine's not displaying the same thing. But I'd lost another canopy.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm about to go back and get videographic evidence of it.
Yeah.
Let's go see how Dave Cameron's doing. Let's see. Oh, I'm getting snow all over my camera. Holy crap, this is deep. Hey, Caitlin.
That's done.
You've done all that? Oh, just that. Why, are you going to dig out Mr. Vedder's motorcycle, take it for a spin?
No.
Oh.
My dad told me to do his side of the garage.
Okay. I think he meant to go that way.
No. I drove yesterday in the snow.
Did you?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
I did okay. It was
Okay.
slippery though.
Which car?
That one.
Okay. That's probably a little better than your dad's.
It has four-wheel drive, but it's really big.
Yeah. You'll get used to it. No worries. Alright, I have to go back and see what my backyard looks like. We're going to have these piles of snow for quite a while. They're going to take a while to melt.
Well, I bet they won't plow this until
Tuesday?
Yeah.
I know. So, emergency leave.
There you go.
Alright. Well, I'm going to take a shortcut across your lawn. Oh God, this is, even with snowshoes, this is deep. I mean, like, look at this. That's how deep it goes. There's the BMW buried still. It might be that way till June. Who knows? Okay. Now, whew, that's deep. My little shed. Quite buried. A good pile of snow on top of it. Okay, Matthew's lacrosse goal. Hasn't seen a shot taken on it in a while. Uh-oh. Some of my arborvitae look like they're being abused. Holy crap. Now, from here, should be able to discern that the canopy succumb to the weight. I tried to keep it cleaned off, but it was just too much. This doesn't look good up here though. This doesn't look good at all. Oh, my poor arborvitae. George! George! Let's go see. Holy crap, this is deep. I think I've lost an arborvitae or two. Yeah, one looks completely bent over here. Hope it's not broken. Holy crap. Let's shake it free here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shake some of these free or risk losing them. Alright. Well, there's the back of the house. You can see we already lost one. We lost the other one in the blizzard 2010. More later. Bye-bye.